start with chapter number 10, direction and time. So in this chapter, we will study about different direction. We have 4 different direction: north, south, east, west. So let's start with the chapter now. Let's begin now. First is direction. There are 4 main direction: north, south, east and west. We can easily locate the direction with the help of the sun. On a bright sunny morning, go out in the open. Stand in the sun and stretch your arm. Point your right arm towards the sun. This direction is east and the direction on your left side is west. So in front of you in the north and behind you is south. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This way, with the help of the sun, we can locate object and direction. So next is compass. A compass is a device which is used to find direction. Right? It is circular device with a needle in it. Needle always points to the north. With the help of the direction, you can know about the 3 direction. Right? Then we have map. It is a drawing of a particular area. It shows different places where they are located. A map can help us to find our way if we are in a place. Now time, the period from sunrise to sunset is a day. और जो sunset to sunrise जो time होता है वो आपका night होता है. A day and night together makes a complete day. When there were no clocks, people used to guess time by observing the position of the sun. क्योंकि जब वो rise करता है तो east से करता है, set कहाँ करता है? West में. Now morning, when the sun rises in the morning, the length of the shadow is low. Afternoon, when sun is just above our head, जो हमारे सर के ऊपर होता है वो afternoon का time होता है. और afternoon is followed by evening, जो sun sets करता है, जो length होती है shadow की वो बहुत लंबी होती है. Night, when it turns dark and the moon and stars are seen in the sky, it is night. No shadow is formed. और यहाँ पे किसी भी तरीके की कोई shadow form नहीं होती. Then we have hours, minutes and seconds. So we use a clock or watch to know the time. Like we have pendulum clock, arm clock and smartwatch. So there are 365 days in a year and it is divided into months, weeks, and there are 12 months in a year. So you can see here 1 year is equals to 12 months. 1 is equals 1 month में कितने days होते हैं? 30 या 31. 1 day में 24 आते होते हैं. एक आदमी 60 मिनट और 1 मिनट में कितने seconds होते हैं? 60 seconds. Right? This is all about. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.